Hi, I'm Donald with MiniBrute Supply, and today we're going to talk about the Simpson MiniBrute pressure washer and heating system. Now, this is a great little compact unit that a lot of people could use for tile and grout cleaning if you want to mate it with your flood pumper. First thing you'll notice on it, it's a really small unit. It comes on a 1-inch steel framed cart with 10-inch pneumatic wheels. It has a built-in kerosene or diesel tank down here in the bottom. Has chemical pickup injection for low pressure application. Up here on the top we've got our pump switch and burner switch. We have some nozzle holders. The nozzles that this unit uses is the 3.5 size, which means that a traditional 4,000 psi pressure washer would dispense 3.5 gallons a minute. Now this particular pressure washer in here, if we come around to this other side, we can kind of get a peek of what's under the hood. This has a general pump box jet pump. This is a 2 gallon a minute 1200 psi pump that is feeding water from your garden hose into this 200,000 BTU burner. And up here on the top, this is a preset 200-degree thermostat. So this one is not adjustable. When you turn the burner switch on, it's always going to attempt to make this part up here 200 degrees. When it's less than that, it's going to light the burner when you're squeezing the trigger, and when you let go of the trigger, it's going to turn off that burner. It does include 25 feet of pressure washing hose and a lance with an insulated grip, a power cord that has GFCI on it. Now the only thing I think that's kind of odd about this particular unit is the pressure adjustment knob. If you want to turn it down, is under the hood in here. It's not really that accessible. You literally would have to take the screws off of it. There's 4 screws on it. Excuse me. Yeah, 4 screws to lift the cover off in order to change the pressure. If you wanted to use it for carpet cleaning at 500 psi, you would have to turn it down. But using a standard spinner wand, which typically has 2 separate O2 nozzles, this particular machine will work right out of the box beautifully with it. The pump jet box jet 2 gallon a minute 1200 psi pressure washer with a surface spinner is probably going to give you about 950 to 1000 psi of actual cleaning with a very consistent 200-degree temperature. So this is a really inexpensive way to give super consistent hot water, way hotter than you'd ever get from your customer's sink if you want to move up from being just traditional portable hot tap water, tile and grout cleaning. This is going to give you that ability to do it way hotter. Anyway, thanks for watching.